The world of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs has witnessed a remarkable contrast in fortunes between the United States and Canada. While Canadian Bitcoin ETFs have emerged as the biggest buyers of Bitcoin, their U.S. counterparts have struggled to gain traction, with some experiencing significant losses. In Canada, Purpose Bitcoin ETF BTCC has been a standout performer, accumulating over 40,000 bitcoins since its inception in February 2021. This impressive buying spree has made BTCC one of the largest Bitcoin holders among ETFs globally. Other Canadian Bitcoin ETFs, such as Evolve Bitcoin ETF EBIT and 3iQ CoinShares Bitcoin ETF BTCQ, have also reported significant inflows and asset growth. In stark contrast, US-based Bitcoin ETFs have faced regulatory hurdles and investor skepticism. The VanEck Bitcoin Trust XBTF, one of the earliest US-based Bitcoin ETFs, has struggled to attract investors, with its assets under management dwindling to around $20 million. Other US-based Bitcoin ETFs, such as the WisdomTree Bitcoin Trust GBTC, have also experienced significant losses and outflows. The disparity in performance between US and Canadian Bitcoin ETFs can be attributed to several factors, including regulatory environment. Canadian regulators have been more receptive to Bitcoin ETFs, granting approvals and providing a clearer framework for their operation. In contrast, US regulators have been more cautious, with the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC delaying or rejecting several Bitcoin ETF applications. Investor demand. Canadian investors have shown a stronger appetite for Bitcoin ETFs, driven by growing interest in cryptocurrencies and a desire for diversified investment portfolios. US investors, on the other hand, have been more hesitant to invest in Bitcoin ETFs, citing concerns over regulatory uncertainty and market volatility. Competition. The Canadian market has fewer Bitcoin ETFs, allowing existing players to dominate the market and attract more investors. In contrast, the US market has a larger number of Bitcoin ETFs, leading to increased competition and making it harder for individual funds to stand out. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how US and Canadian Bitcoin ETFs adapt to changing investor demands and regulatory environments. Will US-based Bitcoin ETFs eventually gain traction, or will Canadian funds continue to dominate the market? Only time will tell.